Hey everybody, how's it going? TJ with DaVinci Solutions here. I want to take a quick second, show you how to replace inks on the Canon TZ30000. This thing's a newer machine, came out in the middle of 2021, and it's been great. So, on the right side, you'll have a door here. As long as you don't have the MFP. If you have the MFP, you'll still have this door, but it'll be behind your operation display for your controller. In here you'll find all of your colors, your matte black, black, yellow, magenta, and cyan, corresponding to each slot. You simply pinch the lever, and pull the old ink tank up, pull it out. Shake up your new one, replace it, put that back in the machine. As long as that light behind that slot goes to a solid red, you're good to go. Simply close your cover, let it fill the machine with ink. If you guys want one of these, give us a call here at DaVinci and we'll get you taken care of.